This is the all-new Note 13 and it comes with a 5160 mAh battery, a huge 6.6-inch IPS display with a 90Hz screen refresh, and a 50 megapixels camera. This phone goes for $100 or 142,000 naira. And this one is the 4 gigs of RAM that can be expanded with the 128 gigs of internal storage. So is it worth buying? Well, let's find out. This smartphone comes in 3 colors. There is the midnight black, the violet purple, and this is the ocean blue color. Now inside the box you have the screen protector film, a clear TPU case for the phone, and the SIM ejector pin. And then you have the manual for the phone, the USB-C cable, and a 10 watts fast charger. For the build quality, this phone is made from a durable plastic and it feels like glass. It weighs 237 grams. It has no IP rating and it is not a rugged smartphone, so please avoid dipping inside water. But overall design, this is beautiful and the brand is consistently keeping up with the trend. It's just a matter of time to become a major competition. For the external features, at the bottom you have the speaker grill and the USB-C port, and then you have the SIM card tray on the left side of the phone, and on the right side spots the volume case and the power button that is also the fingerprint unlock sensor. And flipping to the back is the rear camera and the flashlight. This is a tall device, and as you can see, the placement of the fingerprint that is also the power button is within your thumb and also clickable, and unlocking the phone is fast. And it also supports face unlock feature. The display of this phone is a 6.6 inches with a water drop notch, and it is an IPS panel with a resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels. The display has a 90Hz dynamic refresh rate. The brightness peaks at 500 nits, which means you can use this smartphone under direct sunlight and not panic. And also scrolling through apps is very smooth here on this smartphone's display. So imagine your productivity results, because this is an efficient phone and it can multitask seamlessly. So what is it like watching videos on this smartphone? The large display here is an advantage, and consuming media on this display is immersive. You have an ample screen space and a good quality, even though it is a 720p display. The color reproduction is okay. And also forget the large bezels here and consider the color reproduction. It will give you an immersive experience. And then the processor. The Hotwav Note 13 comes with a unique SoC T606 processor, coupled with the 4 gigs of RAM that can be expanded, with a hyper engine that provides smooth multitasking and stability in performance. Now this processor is not considered a gaming chip, but you can play most 3D games here without lags. The processor is more of an improvement to the pictures taken with this phone, but for every other task, it's a smooth performance. And also the UI has no Bluetooth, no ads, so nothing obstructs the performance. You have the Android version 13 here and a good long-lasting battery of a 5160 milliamps. And for the camera performance here on this phone is also great. This phone comes with a 50 megapixels main camera and the picture quality is good. Thanks to the processor, you have enough details in the pictures, and then the front facing camera is a 16 megapixels. So guys, this is what it feels like shooting a video with the 50 megapixels main camera of the Hotwav Note 13. Brother, come on, get up, come here, come. Yeah, brother made the video. It shoots 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. Say hello to YouTube. Come on, look at me. Shy. So guys, what do you think of the picture quality and the sound that you're hearing? Let me know in the comment section. Hello guys, so this is a 16 megapixels main camera lens of the Hotwav Note 13. What do you guys think of the picture quality? Is it clear enough? How about the skin tone and the color reproduction? Okay, the sky is completely blown out. Under good light condition, it is fine, and I think the color is okay. What do you guys think? Please let me know in the comment. So coming from a budget perspective, this is a good option, and it is also a good value for money considering the overall performance and the price. And I so much believe in the Hotwav brand, even though it might seem new to some, but They have some of the best smartphones, and I recommend checking this one out. So guys, what do you think? And also, if you're new here, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.